Hello, I'm Gordon Wells. I'm a projects officer with Solmorostek, which is the Gaelic college on the Isle of Skye. But today I'm on a different island. I'm on Cyprus, attending a video making workshop for language teachers. This morning we were out in Nicosia taking pictures, and this afternoon I've been editing. And right now I'm about to record a voiceover commentary. So what you've just seen is the introduction to this demonstration video. We start our tour at the Archbishop's Palace. There are 10 in our group today, 3 from Cyprus, 3 from Portugal, and 1 each from Switzerland, Malta, Denmark and Scotland. Andreas is our guide, and Kent from Denmark is helping to run the workshop. He particularly likes the oranges here, though he's not so keen on squeezing them himself for his breakfast juice. The historic buildings of Nicosia provide a great location in which to film. Christina from Portugal is also keen to interview Maria from Cyprus about more recent history.
My husband was born just before the invasion. He was 40 days old when the war happened.
Video makers.
Yes.
Before you go.
Kent?
Yeah. If you're taking a shot in an interesting place, sometimes you want to establish it. Okay? You've already got it. So a sign like this can be very useful. Okay? Just so it places it, so people know. You don't have to tell them. They can just look at the sign and they know where they are.
Different filmmaking techniques are discussed as we record our pictures.
Off.
A short video of a flag, like 2 seconds, to show that time has passed. And that makes it logical for the viewer. Wow, now they have gone to that place. I can't recall what is the name of using that technique, where you see a flag or something like that, and you know that time has passed, and then you go to the next scene.
Good question.
It has.
Narrow lanes also provide interesting filming opportunities as we move on. But the Portuguese team are keen to start recording language teaching material right away.
Lá atrás temos postos de vigia dos guardas.
Even if it means they get left behind
a
at
nossa
times.
visita pelas ruas de Nicosia.
Vamos embora. Isto aqui,
Isto é bem estreito aqui.
eu tenho uma planta daquelas lá em casa.
E isto são malvas.
Malvas.
Há muita coisa parecida. Viste a senhora velha ao pé da igreja?
Sim, toda vestida
Muito
de preto
parecida com
Olha o que está
e
ali.
de lenço na
caracóis.
cabeça. Era bem parecida com as nossas velhotas portuguesas. Vamos.
Vamos cá.
When lunchtime comes, we find a nice place to try the local food and the local coffee. It's lovely, and we enjoy the break.
Here's the killer. Watch him.
Though Maria João does remind us that we're really here for a higher purpose.
É preciso cuidar de chá bem mexido, portanto a gente não mexe, escolhe antes se quer muito açúcar ou pouco e depois bebe-se com cuidado porque no fundo estão as borras, portanto não se pode agitar.
Okay, so that's it. I've run out of pictures. I could keep on talking, but I think perhaps the point has been made that filmmaking is really a very simple exercise in comparison with what it used to be like. The technology is really quite easy to use, and I'm looking forward to seeing what my colleagues will make of it tomorrow. Thank you for watching.